Hi guys, this is Shwetang from Varanasi again, and today I'm going to bring you to one of the oldest sweet shop of Varanasi, which is known as Rajbandhu, and currently I'm at Kachori Gali area, and it's where the shop is located. So it's very crowdy here, but still I'm going to bring you to the shop so you can see how it looks like, and I'm going to turn the camera now. So you can see about this shop. This is known as Rajbandhu. Actually, it is written in Hindi, but you can still see that it is since 1887, and the address is Kachori Gali Chowk, Varanasi. And on the right hand side, it goes to the Chowk, or it can also go to the famous Kashi Vishwanath temple. And on the left hand side, this street goes to the crematorium, Manikarnika Ghat. So I'm just going to bring you inside. This is how it looks like from here. Rajbandhu. That's the entrance. And here we have got. ये कौन सा मिठाई है? This is Kirmohan. This is Rajbhog. This is Gulab Jamun there, and this is Rasgulla. And there are some salt items here, cashew nuts and other snacks. And these are some more sweets here. ये कौन सा स्वीट है भैया? ये ऊपर वाला ये कौन सा है? मेवा गुजिया. This is मेवा गुजिया. कैसे किलो है ये? It's 1200 for 1 kilo. And then there are other sweets here. नीचे ये वाला कौन सा है? येलो वाला काजू काजू चाट काजू चांद. अच्छा, ये कैसे किलो है? This is also 1200 for 1 kilos. और मिक्स मिठाई कैसे किलो है? 550. So you can also get mixed sweets also, and that's about 550 rupees. So you can see there are different sweets here. और ये वो है ना चॉकलेट वाली चोको, क्या चोको बाइट. So this is choco bite, and ये कैसे किलो है? 1200. So this is also 1200 for 1 kilos. और ये काजू बर्फी है ना? 1000. This is for 1000 kilograms. Rupees 1000 for 1 kilogram. अच्छा, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो है ये मलाई गिलोरी बताइएगा. हाँ, 1400 रुपये. So this is something special of Banaras. It's called Malai Gilori, and that's 1400 rupees for 1 kilos. और इसका भी दाम वही है?
मलाई गिलोरी और मलाई सैंडविच है.
Malai sandwich. This is Malai sandwich, and this is Malai Gilori.
मलाई क्या?
हाँ हाँ. And then there are more sweets here. You can see. And then there are some gujia here. Some more sweets. Laddu, Malpua, and some more sweets. So this is how the shop looks like. It's really old architecture structure here. भैया शॉप क्या बजे खुल जाती है आपकी? सुबह, और रात में 10 बजे बंद हो जाती है. So they open around 9 o'clock and closes around 10 o'clock at night. So if you want to come to this shop, you can come from this way Chowk, or you can either come from crematorium that way, Manikarnika. You can see how many people are going right there. This is like one of the busiest alleyway of Varanasi. This is how Malai Gilori looks like, and now I'm going to eat it. And you can also eat with me virtually, but if you want to eat it physically, you will have to come to the shop. And I've actually tried this Malai Gilori earlier. but I have no complaints about it. This is good as always, and you can definitely come here and try it. If not, you can come in and I will send it to you from here. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Love you all.